And I can tell you could eat that foo girl. Big Don said, girl, make sure you have the money then. May I say you have. If you have a spend, make sure you plan to spend it. Start spending from now. Yeah? Start spending your money from now. Big waist girl. Make sure you start spending from now. Before me reach. Make sure your money is spent.
I'm a shout. I get angry and express myself loudly. Wanna misinterpret what I'm saying. So GX, Andrew Beckford, aka GX, I believe that you're right. Because only a mad woman would have take up a man when she know him don't even have two good underpants and deal with and breed. He's only a mad woman. I got to take up one man when she deal with him don't have two crap.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People one bagger as usual. You see what I say? But let us just get to the important stuff of what's trending in Jamaica, because I know a lot of you woke up to some sad news that, you know, the great Jimmy Cliff passed away. Yeah, my peeps. He was 81 years old. His wife said he had a seizure. And, you know, things didn't go too well. Miss Emma said she posted up this heartfelt letter on his IG page, letting his fans know what going for not to go on, you see me? And thanks to the doctor and fans and all of these things. And things, you see. But yeah, you know, them say him catch seizure, then pneumonia afterwards. You know what I mean? So, him live 81 years old, and I know it sounds kind of young, right? But I'm just giving an update what to go on, you see me? Dancehall artist Quash, no, he has been sentenced to 27 months in prison, followed by 3 years supervised release. You know what I mean? And then, you know, he's going to have to see an immigration judge when he's done with that. So it's definitely a good look. A lot of people think that he's snitching, but based off of the federal guidelines and for these type of crimes, 2 years and 3 months is not out of the range. You see me, I say, yeah, that them lawyer did ask for and that the feds them agreed to, you see me, so, you know, hopefully them not bring up no other cases upon him, because you know J-Man, no. We're gonna say if the feds them are gonna call up squashing that J-Man case, no, that him plead guilty and guilty for being 6 gang leader, so we're gonna say, oh, the place out with this lad of ill thing I can see under the red, his name was mentioned in J-Man case. Me see my say. So it may be out of the next with this one, but boy, if I'm going to Jamaica, a problem, you know, between him and them daddy. But I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on before we get into the bag. I know yesterday when I hear the police did run up in a Rosealee yard, right. Shabada says that as she called the police, but not herself to, you know, make herself look like you know what, so Jason, you know what. As you heard in the beginning of the thing, Shabada said it looked like Jake's new woman is the reason why Rosalie are going like this, you see me?
But at this I'm a Rosalie. Watch ya, flawlessness at its best. Flawlessness at its best. Rosalie, you know, have that look here. Not even filter can give you a quarter pound of this. Not even filter. At this. Make you send police to your yard. This. Make you send police to your yard. This. Not even filter can help you. Give it up. Throw in the towel. It wet. So, if Akima come in our man territory, you don't think Akima go come armed and dangerous? Remember him a ninja? Him walk with stars, swords, you know, the something, and the non-tracker. You understand me? I'm them something. He's well equipped. He's well equipped. So the gun that is there where Rosalie called the police can never be for GX. It could never and can never be for GX. Who last visit your yard and security needed? Who last visited your house and security needed? Me not help no girl fight no relationship, especially when the relationship I run from them.
Yeah, whole lot of speculation going on right now, but the people them saying have to do with scamming. But nevertheless, did the yes said Jakes did vex. Rosalie said yes, she did mad in a style of a moment. So let's see what you know Rosalie and deal with. Cause you know she said she not pressed, but I forgot to say isn't it?
He's only a mad woman. I got to go one man when I work and in my 5 subject and in my young boy. He's only a mad woman. I got to go one man him don't want a toothbrush. Oh. Me at work. Me at work. Me at work. I could have even got a call me working. I work, me come. Me at work. So me know I should text your voice, not me listen to me don't know where me there at work. He's only a mad woman. I got take up one man. We don't own 3 good pants and breed for him. Jake is only a mad woman. I got to go one boy. We don't own a BED from 12 years. What BED 12 years ago till now. So of course I'm mad. I have to fucking be up. I have to be fucking crazy upstairs. Think about low life like you and breed for. When me know you don't want shit up to now. When me know you're cruff. So I must mad for true. Cause I know no right to be sensible young girl I take up rubbish truck. Some of you just can't go over and dump. And then you alone cruff, your mama cruff too. So it's a family sickness. So I must mad for mix with you know. Cause family soon will never elevate yet. Me pass on in a life. I remember me too in and I pass on in a life. Me too no grow on and pass on in a life. And I know me no see you and your mama elevate. You can't take a mama from over the gully. Me must mad. Cause me too no live now way. And I all up to now 12 year. Me too no family at 20. 12 year pass on no live now way. And 12 more year come catch your mama no live now way neither. So me must mad. Cause she can't put you up. Cause the whole on her cross. So I must mad for mix with Uno. Cause I can't, right? If you go mix with slime bucket like Uno. When I have shit for half and not even they pick them. I must mad. Poor top strat. And some of the type in the chat, same story. It has to be the same story. It's only a liar change them story. It's only a liar change them story. It's ever one story me attack, just know I'm not lying. Me never change my story yet. What I want somebody with 2 wheels? I been feeling like a bad bitch. More I feel like a bad bitch all goddamn day. Why you want me to live? Cause you broke. I couldn't live for another broke man and take up another broke man. You broke. You only have looks. You broke. We are each up a side like me and something. Leave my chat. Go start your life. You broke. Me not take broke man, cause me not take broke man, cause me not like broke whore. Fuck and collect even $500. It can buy one ibuprofen and one bottle of water if you get a headache when you're done. It can buy one ramen, water their pint. It can buy one ramen, water their pipe. Buy your friend's stove and warm it up, bus cat burp. Since it did go fuck hungry. Chad, me go mute you know. My daughter take down Chad something no man. My Chad come distract me, Chad come not send shit. Fuck for even $500. Fuck for even 5 bills. You can buy $100 ramen. You can buy $100 ramen. Catch some water pipe. Boil it and drink it. Fuck for even $500. When I like fuck for free. I walk on fucky. I'm hungry. Don't come to me when nobody find a blood clot body. Me look at me single and depressed of a blood clot, man. Eh? You know see my blood clot, man. You know see me with my good blood clot, man. We might jump off, yes! At times. Well, sometime. But me have me good, man. Every me say, me jump off of the bicycle. I ring my toe, I look at toe, I'm like, baby, me want to see, I'm like, nothing, baby. Eh? Stop coming my program, come to more people and woman. Me not fuck out and me not suck out. Me hold the right weight there. I'm a short back. No start use. Yet. You know use out. Me pump, me crutches there so. You know use out yet. You know finish. Stop come to me as if me have one big lump. Me have one big boss underneath me and a man no want me. Me not work with both. Me not work with both when I'm going to feather for. Eh? If thinking old girl I get grind much as me look at Ivan who will rock na man still fuck she. Me not work with both. I know something. So. Eh? Look how fear look how she walk with the rat, but you know, mighty God. I bend down in the closet and she sweating I poop, she poop. Pure foul smell of a bad stinkings around out her blood clot crutches. And she bend and go and me not work with that. So why me for work if a man want have a woman? I go and look at blood clot, man. What wrong with me? Trigger on my blood clot face. Donkey bite me. Me bust up. Me full of rash. Me full of scratch and sore and mass. Cocoa beg up on my skin. Me look at me mimic. Me on a big and roll up at times. And sometimes you have to roll floor if you need it. What wrong with me? You tell me about man find new man. You know, see me find blood clot new man. Well, look good and smell good and have things. We have to move somebody live in our whole house for. And then me could have left Jamaica. Me could have left out a shit at Jamaica going to shit in a foreign. I want is a small island. Me could be honest. Let's be honest. Me could be realistic. Because sometimes realistication take me, you know. Look here, let us be honest. Come like realistic station. Take me. Me could have live in a swamp at Jamaica. Nowhere. Me live in a swamp at Jamaica. Nowhere. Me live a swamp at Jamaica. That's nowhere. Me live in Jamaica. Nowhere. Courage, cuddle the dog. Live in front of nowhere. Me live nowhere. Me black that. Me mute that person, yeah. Because you know why me I got crash out? You're there so the 25 badge and you know send blood clot and be ready for type. Listen or you leave. Me living in the middle of nowhere, focus strat. And me go up on one flight for their friend upon. Me? Then him say the one kitchen run down. Should I live that way? How can I not host that? Then me could have left blood clot Jamaica and take plane gas find for the pan. Peely one in the pan. And they say I was crashing out. Me must see a crash out for me crash out. Look how me in so now. Look how me in so now. And ASAP and pay mosquito. I fly around my beautiful eyes and lips and nose and mouth. Then me could have really left foreign. Me could have really left Jamaica. Jamaica. That's how it's spelled. Jamaica. That's it. I left Jamaica. For go. Pan play for go for the pan. Eh? Them know say Peeny Wally live a foreign. Them know say Peeny Wally. That means if mosquito than Peeny Wally. That means a cockroach must tell us and lice and chink and bat loss. Oh my God. If it's you, oh Lord, give me you. Everything else can wait. Give me you. I hope I'm not too late. Foreign self. Lord, give me you. So I got the 2 live goal, let me know. When my work me come, me just shift back in the work mode. Well, Elmac want me. Long time I say no. Try when I get the 2 wheel them all now, you know. One girl man fuck them and give them money, say me 2 wheel. Can I always man no fuck me and give me money so many times, you know. Man no fuck me and give me money. That is when man no fuck if you do with a man and the man not put on no go no money, you not grind them, don't make no sound. Pure dead fuck. When the boy them grind on no go no dollar mute pan them nasty blood and not feel nothing and I ain't got no you broke mute pan them. Not even mute. Cause boy, if you grind and give even one $500, whether it's Jamaican or US, you can go buy 1 pound of rice, one of the long mackerel them, not the long one, I mean look a long one them so. You have water in your yard, you borrow your mother your neighbor stove, you borrow a pot, you wash your rice, one little piece of butter throw in it, salt it, you throw the mackerel in it, you take out the bone them and you season it down to blood clot, your teeth. And you go water back juice. You fuck for look Caesar rice. We don't fuck for nothing, you know. We just fuck because we hear your name and we think we like it. How would this appear? Hey kitty? Nothing at all. When man a grind on a gonna dollar mute. When me did that with that man and Mr. Grind and me not like him. I fuck you all night, dog. Father God, them say confession is good for his soul. Me say chat, me fucking night dog.
No, we'll finish up hearing what Jake's had to say about the whole ordeal with Rosealee. I'm just tired and want to get on with him life with his new wife.
Yeah, big waist girl. Make sure you start spending that early. You make sure you tell the world, you know. You will spend your money, you know. You tell the world you will spend your money and you will pay for Ufa, pay for whatever, and pay for whatever. So here what you do for Shirley. Give them what them forget in case of anything. You hear that? Cause you have, still. We don't give a fuck about this. People our business about them thing that think about them thing there. Our business about them thing that think about them thing there. Think about what's digital footprint. Who care? Think about that. Hey guys, start spending money from now. Girl, I go and shake. I'm gonna chase me there now. No longer chasing. But I will just fix things the right way because you chat too much now, too long now, girl. Yeah? So make sure you can. Yeah, still.
Madness. Anyway, people, when I go along on this longer, you know. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.